All right, mate. So you're looking at ZIL here. Might be ready to take a move next month. Yep, the monthly is looking very interesting, have to say. Now, 11 days left. It would be nice if it finished down here. You know, this is quite a large base. If we zoom into it, well, I'm assuming it's a large base. If we look at the 3 months there, you can see it's kind of not quite as big a base as maybe we would have thought. But it definitely almost looks to be rounding, you know, rounding back up. You know, the major bullish part, it needs to recapture this sort of level. You can see it's already attempted to that and failed. But now, you know, you could say price is bullish as long as it's holding above this sort of stop hunt now, because we have recaptured this previous low. Just like it couldn't recapture this low, you can see right here, it pushed up into it, failed and rolled away, but it created a new low. So now we are, you know, above this previous low. And if you look back here, when price got back above this low, price moved pretty hard to the upside. So there definitely is something interesting developing here. Let's just look at the 3 month chart just to see it. You know, this is very nice, to be fair. It really does look like it could do something like that. It really does. The other thing is what it might do, actually, you know, it might somehow create a small candle somewhere down here. I'm not sure what type of candle at this point, but and then do something like that. That is a possibility. But if we do get a small candle, you know, if it flips green, we definitely have to try and get long on this on ZIL. But if for some reason we do form a small candle, that is also extremely bullish. You know, I like the fact that this has it got rejected, and then, you know, we've had that sort of bear flag, and this broke down. That's good. You know, coins have to be bearish before they can get bullish again, and this has had a bearish move down, bearish rejection, bearish bounce back up and rejection. It had the second attempt at it, and now we've broke down. So after the breakdown, you know, price can now attempt to start to recover whatever way it does and move back up. As you said, it's probably a trade for a new month, right? And a new month is a new 3 month. So, you know, ideally, of course, you know, something like that would happen. We bark back up. In the short term, you know, it is green. We had a bit of a doji here. We're green on the 2 week, and there's 7 days left. So there's still a week left. So because there's a week left, we'll look at the weekly chart here, and you can see I definitely would be interested in buying this on a new week for continuation to the upside. You know, there's nothing badly wrong with this. This is a decent setup in a way. You know, we've had that sort of stop hunt as long as, well, the next week, I mean, it's fairly easy. Any dip and then flip green again, you know, you'd want to be buying this to see if you can get a breakout of the base. And the base is just right here. You can see there's 3 or 4 candles here, and you want to see a breakout above this base. That is your resistance point right now, and it's pretty good. You're closing up into resistance. Like last week, the week before it, they did not close into resistance. When you close into resistance, there's more chance of breaking it. So this is a potential trade for a new week.